Imagine a company who does social impact but makes money as well.
Congratulations, UV. You've discovered social impact. But only about a few 20 years late. Listen, Harvard's gonna call you now.
Oh, so I'm late?
Yeah, because today's guest has done it 20 years before you.
Welcome Vijaya Balaji, CEO of Social Lens.
Thanks, Ishan and UV. I'm so happy to be here.
So, Vijay, what does social impact actually mean?
Social impact actually means that you improve the lives of people who come from underserved communities, the less privileged. You try to reduce the sort of inequities that exist between the haves and the have-nots.
Does your company get a report card too?
Yeah, of course. I mean, the work we do has to really make a difference that it's supposed to, right?
Wow.
Can companies make money and still do good?
Absolutely. Uh, Money is required to deliver value. And without money, you can't just deliver value on just effort.
So, profit is fuel, but purpose is direction?
Absolutely. There can be no philanthropy without profit. And social lens, therefore, is about profit with a purpose.
So, did you always want to become a CEO?
Not really, Ishan. I call myself an reluctant entrepreneur. But somewhere along the way, becoming a CEO is something that I embraced.
So becoming a CEO basically comes with solving problems well.
Well, yes. I mean, I think as a founder, as a CEO, uh, one is required to solve for problems, and the problems could be from very small to very big.
What is the hardest part of being a CEO?
I think trying to find the answers to the questions that come at you. And many times you don't really have the answers and you have to figure that out. And you are responsible for the company, for the people, to your clients. Um, you can't afford to have bad days on the job.
Wow. Hearing you has just made me realize that leadership doesn't have an undo button.
No, you're absolutely right, Ishan. It doesn't. It doesn't have an undo button and it doesn't have an off button because a problem can come at you at any time of the day or night and you have to fight those fires.
What can teenagers do today to create impact?
Start small, Ishan. I think any small act of kindness, of committing to it, is the beginning, is the first step that one can take towards creating impact. Could be in your neighborhood, it could be within the vicinity of somebody you know. So just start there. The key thing is to get started.
So no billion-dollar startup required? That's good because my funding round is still imaginary. So you think our generation will choose career paths differently? Like looking for purpose and not just money?
Absolutely, UV. It's already begun. You are the inheritors of this planet. And so, whether it is climate, whether it is water, there are so many things that today's generation and young people believe in. And change starts really with all of you. So, I do believe that there's going to be a lot more of youngsters who want to be in this industry because they also are looking for careers with purpose.
Good, because if I'm working for 40 years, it should at least help someone.
Absolutely.
What makes work meaningful?
I think, Ishan, when we are able to, help somebody, uh, when the effort makes um, an organization better at what they're doing, we're able to see this effect trickle down to the very inequities that I spoke about, those being reduced. We made something better, somebody's life better. And I think that really is what we take away. That's it.
So, meaningful work is basically helping people and solving real problems.
You're absolutely right there, UV.
Rapid fire! No explanations.
Let's go!
Okay,
Profit or purpose?
both. Because without profit, how do you drive purpose? Profit and purpose have to go together.
Diplomatic answer. Very CEO.
What's one leadership quality that you can't fake?
Integrity.
Oh, no pressure.
What's one myth about CEOs?
That we have all the answers?
That's comforting because we definitely don't have all the answers.
What's one habit for success?
Continuous learning. Stay hungry, keep learning.
So, homework never ends.
Yep.
Today, I learned something. Business isn't only about profit, it's about purpose.
And honestly, I didn't know that businesses could be the good guy. And that's a pretty cool way of running a company.
Thank you, Vijay, for teaching us how much of an impact companies have on society. And I will always remember it's about both profit and purpose.
Thank you, Vijay, for joining us today on Unfiltered Talks with Ishan and Yuvraj. Stay curious, stay unfiltered, and see you next episode.
Thank you, Ishan and Yuvi. Stay cool.
Thank you, Vijay, for coming all the way here to film on our show. And to thank you, we've got a gift for you.
Your very own
Unfiltered Talks coffee mug.
Thank you, Ishan and Yuvi. I love this, and I'm going to think about unfiltered talks each morning with my cup of tea. Love it.
Thank you.